History's Hiccups. Part 28. Explore the clash of egos in ancient Rome with the story of the Temple of Venus and Roma. Built around 121 AD, this architectural marvel was Emperor Hadrian's ambitious project. Hadrian, an architect himself, presented his designs to Apollodorus of Damascus, the era's famed architect. But instead of praise, Hadrian faced blunt criticism. Apollodorus remarked that the gods would have to crouch inside the temple. Enraged by this critique, Hadrian banished and later executed Apollodorus, showcasing the dangers of challenging an emperor. The temple, completed after Hadrian's death, remains one of Rome's largest, a symbol of the intricate ties between power, art, and architecture in ancient Rome, and a reminder of the risks of imperial displeasure.